Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. My name is Nishant and we are at day 16 of our made late coding challenge. Let's look at our question. Odd even linked list. Given a singly linked list, group all nodes together followed by the even nodes. Okay, we have to group all the odd nodes followed by the even nodes. Please note that here we're talking about the node number and not the value in the nodes. Okay, so the odd node is that node which is at odd position. Okay, you should try to do it in place. The program should run in big O of 1 space complexity and big O of n, big O of number of nodes time complexity. Okay, let's look at our question. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the output should be 1 should be connected to 3, and then 3 should be connected to 5 as they are all placed at odd positions, and then 5 should be connected to the first even node, and 2 should be connected to 4, and then it should be connected to null. Okay, so we just have to do that, and we can do it by just manipulating the pointers. Okay, so this will be our logic for solving this particular problem. We are doing nothing but just manipulating the pointers to get our result. First we will have 3 pointers, last odd, first even and last even. Last odd will store the head of the node in linked list initially. First even will store the next, that is the second node of head linked list, which will be the first even node, and the last even initially will be equal to first even. And we will go through this loop till the last odd or the last even is not equal to null. That is, at least there are 2 nodes remain in our linked list yet to be processed. Okay, so this is our code, last odd. Okay, let's look at an example to understand it better. So this is our given linked list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So initially our last odd will be the head of the linked list, and the first even will be our the next of the head, that is 2. Okay, and as last even equals to first even, it should also point to 2. Okay, so this is our, we initialized all the pointers. Now we go into the loop. Since last odd's next character is not null and last even's next character is also not null, we simply go into the loop, and we are in the first iteration, and we simply have to update last odd's next to last evens next. Okay, why are we doing this? We are building 2 linked lists in the same list, one for containing the odd nodes and one for even nodes. Last odd and last even will track the last even or last odd node occurred in both the odd and even linked list. Okay, so last odd should be last evens next. Since last even is our last even is pointing to 2, so 2's next is 3. So now the last odd's next, which is 1, is now pointing to 2. Now it will point to 3. Okay, so that's it. So it is now pointing to 3. Okay, and the next statement will be, now we have to update our last odd, since we already processed the node 3, and this is now the our last odd node which we have processed. We simply update last odd's value by adding last odd's next value to last odd. Okay, so now our last odd is updated. Okay, now let's go further into the loop, and now we do the same for the even linked list. Okay, we just have to reverse the pointers. Now last evens next will be equal to last odds next. Now last odd points to 3 and its next is 4. Okay, so this should be our next even node, so it should point, now the last evens next should point to 4. Now it is pointing to 4. Now what we have to do, since we processed our 4, now 4 is our last even, so we have to update our last even pointer. So we do this by putting the last even's next value in last even. So we updated last even as well. Now our first iteration is complete. We do it until our uh, while loops condition holds, that is the last odds next or last evens next should not be null, or in other words we can say that there are at least 2 nodes still unprocessed in our linked list. Okay, so this was the our result after the first iteration. Now again we update last odds next value to last evens next value. So now 3 will point to 5. Now 5 will be our third element in our odd linked list. Okay, now we have to update our last odd pointer. So now it should point to 5. So we updated this. Okay, now further into the loop we have to update now even values. Okay, so now last evens next should point to last odds next, which is null. Now last evens next, that is force next is now pointing to null. And now we have to update last evens value. Okay, so now last even will now point to null. Now since last even is pointing to null, so we break out of the loop, and one last thing to do is now we are left with 2 linked lists. As we can see, one is pointing to 3 and 3 is pointing to 5, and that is our odd nodes list, and 2 is pointing to 4 and 4 is pointing to null, that is our even nodes linked list. We just have to join these two. We will do that by this. Okay, last nodes next will be equal to first even. So now last nodes next, that is the last node will point to now our even linked list's first node, and it is done. We simply return the head of our linked list. Since we do that in place, we just manipulated the pointers in our original linked list, and we get our question solved. Okay, now let's code this. We just initialize those pointers. Last odd will point to head initially, and first even will point to heads next, and last even will point to just first even. Remember, if we were asked to put the evens first and odds at the end, we just have to track the first odd as well. Okay, now while last odds next is not equal to null and last evens next also not equal to null, we just update our pointers. Last odds next should be last evens next, and we update our last odd pointer as well by doing this, and we just reverse the rules and do this for even nodes as well. Last odd, and this will also be changed if you were asked to put the evens first. Then we have to process the even nodes first and odds later. This will get updated to this, and after last odds and let's check for our edge cases as well. Head should not be null. Okay, sorry, if it is null or heads next is null, we simply return head. Okay, this should do. Let's run this. Okay, one. Okay, we got that right. Let's just submit it. Ding, judging, and guys, it's accepted. Link for the code is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.